Balance ecosystem team has produced another solution to further the security and stability of the FHM protocol while continuing to recognize market players who take part in our long-term vision through their investments. As a result of the changes described in this video, FHM will more fully convert to a deflationary model, quite similar to Luna in relation to UST. By the end of this video, you'll know what accelerated staking is and how to take full advantage of its benefits. Accelerated staking is a program that's been developed to reward long-term investors with our highest available percentage of returns for FHM staking, while locking the value of FHM to further its use case as a store of value. Alongside this development, the staking rewards of the current FHM rebase model will be reduced to 150% APY. To take advantage of accelerated staking with up to 30,000% APY, follow along with these next steps. First, go to the web link shown on the screen now or click it in the description below. Assuming you have staked FHM in your wallet already, click Wrap on the left-hand side. Approve your wsFHM balance and convert it to wrapped staked FHM. This will allow you to accrue wsFHM rewards without gaining additional tokens and prepare you for the next step. Next, under the staking section on the left side of the screen, click Accelerated Staking. Once you see the UI shown here, you'll need to approve and stake your wsFHM. This will allow you to gain access to the highest APYs available. Currently, the only accelerated staking time period offered is 30 days, but that doesn't mean you can't move your funds. If you choose to unstake your balance at any point before the full 30 days has elapsed, you forfeit the sum total of your staking rewards. For investors that hold their stake for the full term, their rewards will be granted in one lump sum at the end of the 30-day period. At this point, an investor may choose to restake their wsFHM for another 30 days in order to accrue even more compounding FHM returns of up to 30,000% APY. Visit our links in the description for more information on the decision-making and governance that has led the Balance organization to these innovative choices. Like the video and subscribe for more content on the Balance ecosystem.